Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of humidity and temperature sensors. If you are ever wondering how these little devices work and how you can integrate them in your project, you are in the right place. So let's dive into the project. Components used: DHT11 sensor, Arduino UNO, Arduino LCD keypad shield, and a few jumper wires. The DHT11 sensor measures humidity and temperature using a capacitive humidity sensor and a thermistor. For humidity, as humidity rises, the sensor substrate absorbs water vapor, decreasing the resistance between two electrodes. This changer is proportional to the humidity. For temperature, it uses an NTC thermistor where resistance decreases as temperature increases. The sensor's microcontroller converts the analog signal from both sensors into a digital signal for further analysis. The sensor operates on 3.5 volt to 5.5 volt and can measure temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius and humidity from 20% to 90%. This is used to measure temperature and humidity. It is also used in local weather station, automatic climate control, environment monitoring, and home automation. Connections. Let's take the Arduino board and attach the LCD keypad shield into the board. Now let's take the DHT11 sensor with the jumper wires attached. Now as same, we can attach these jumper wires into the LCD keypad shield. Here we can see that after uploading the code, it's displaying the content which we uploaded in the Arduino IDE. Now it's showing the temperature as 30 degrees Celsius and humidity as 51%. Congratulations on building your DIY temperature and humidity notifier with the DHT11 sensor, Arduino UNO, and LCD keypad shield. You have created a handy tool for monitoring environmental conditions. Experiment, customize, and share your experiments in the comments. Happy making!